Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your business on Instagram with Instagram Reels. Instagram first launched IG Reels on August 5th, 2020, but since then it has really become popular. It's hard not to scroll on your Instagram feed and not see a reel. An IG Reel is a 15 or 30-second multi-video clip that you can use on Instagram as a creative tool. A lot of people don't know that you can actually change the reels from 15, which is the default, to 30 seconds. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can get 30-second reels on your Instagram. You'll have more time to showcase your business. Reels can be posted on your regular Instagram feed, can be posted in your story, and they can be posted on this new thing called the Explore. It's where everybody on Instagram has the opportunity to discover your content. Now, I love the fact that these videos can also be pre-recorded and then uploaded to Instagram. This just gives you 100% creative control over the content that you share. I've seen a lot of people use Instagram Reels to repost things from TikTok, but the thing is, the Instagram algorithm will not push your content if it has third-party material on it. TikTok logo, if Instagram algorithm notices that, they won't push your content as much. So take the watermark off of your TikTok. Right before you upload it to TikTok, screen record it. The screen record is what you will upload to Instagram. So you also want to make your content enjoyable for everyone. Always add subtitles to your videos. For people with hearing difficulties, they'll be able to enjoy your content as well. And you will reach a bigger audience when you cater your content. When you're able to cater your content to a bigger audience, there's a lot of room for growth. My last tip would have to be add 55 character captions. Make sure that your captions are really short. Anything longer, you'll see the ... more. So I'm going to show you one of my captions. My caption said, favorite position, CEO. On a channel that only has 200 and something followers, I have over 1,000 views on 2 of my reels. I'm also learning how to use reels, and I'll definitely share more tips and tricks with you all as I learn. But these are ways that you can grow your business on Instagram with IG Reels. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.